Good evening. I'm meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint Forecast Center with your weather web update. Still on track for a significant storm, which is taking shape now, actually all the way down to the Gulf Coast states, but plenty of moisture well in advance. Snow to the north, ice and sleet in the middle, and then rain to the south. And here we are in southern New England, the canopy of clouds starting to increase. Bottom line, this storm will intensify, track north and east, just south and east of Cape Cod to bring a significant wind, snow, but also rain. This will be just as much a rainstorm as it will be a snowstorm as well. Closer to home, live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar. It's quiet. I mean, no precipitation, no problems for this evening. Down at Newport Harbor, you can see some clouds streaming in with the sunshine. It was a decent day today, certainly on the cold side. And same deal in Providence. Pictures taken at about 3 o'clock this afternoon with some sunshine and some high thin clouds. All right, brand new watches and warnings. Winter storm warnings for the areas in pink. Quite simply, the warning means that at least 6 or more inches of snow. The heaviest snow amounts would be in this pink area. Some snow, some accumulations in this light blue zone, just not as much as back here. So it's a winter storm watch for the areas in blue. It's all over Rhode Island with the exception of Narragansett Bay communities, and no advisories or warnings or watches in southeastern Mass, just for the simple fact that snow amounts here should be much less. You see the canopy of clouds increasing well in advance of the storm system, but the moisture itself really won't get here until early in the morning on Thursday. We're thinking the pre-dawn hours. And the precipitation will really come in a wide variety. It'll start as snow everywhere, and it'll snow rather hard early Thursday morning, but eventually a changeover to rain. So in this green area, starts as snow, goes to a mix, then goes to all rain by the afternoon hours. Northwest suburbs, it goes from snow over to sleet. And even up here, some rain mixing in, and then well to the north and west, it stays primarily as snow. So based on this, the snowfall accumulations naturally are higher to the north and not as much towards the south and east. I'll show you those numbers in just a second. Don't want to ignore the wind potential with this nor'easter. These numbers are not temperatures, but rather wind gusts in miles per hour. So starting off at 7 o'clock in the morning, I mean, the winds are picking up. I mean, they're around 30 miles per hour along the south shore, but watch how they really start to ramp up during the afternoon. 1 o'clock in the afternoon, inland gusts to 40. Coastal gusts anywhere from 55 to close to 60 miles per hour just offshore and along the islands. Advance the map now to about 8 o'clock in the evening. Still some very strong wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour. So not out of the question for at least isolated power outages and some of these strong wind gusts, which will really continue into early on Friday morning. Now, as far as snowfall amounts, and here's how it breaks down. Much lower the further south and east you go. Southeastern Mass, coastal areas, Newport, down towards Narragansett, westerly in this light blue zone on the order of 1 to 3. And some of this will probably get washed away. A little further inland where the changeover to rain and sleet is delayed by a few more hours. A general swath of 3 to 6. This includes most of Kent County, Warwick, Cranston, West Warwick, Coventry, Providence, Metro, Pawtucket, and then northwest corner of the state. It's certainly north and west of, say, Route 295 and some of the higher elevations, 5 to 8, with much higher amounts if you have any travel plans out towards, well, northern Worcester County and north of the Mass Pike and out towards the Berkshire. So snow begins early in the morning between roughly 4 and 7 a.m. and for a time it will come down pretty hard during the morning commute, especially the latter part of the morning commute. It'll change to sleet and then rain. Most of your snow northwest, less towards the south and east, the strong wind gusts. And the mix of rain and snow will actually change back to all snow later Thursday night as the storm pulls away. So certainly a messy commute both Thursday morning, Thursday evening, and perhaps even to early Friday morning. Delays and cancellations are likely. Some local street flooding. I mean, these storm drains are clogged with ice and snow. You throw in a lot of rain, water has nowhere to go. So big puddles and ponding on roads. At least scattered power outages are possible. I don't think it's a widespread situation, but the risk is there. And certainly travel delays all across, whether it's plane, trains, or automobiles. Certainly delays are likely. 7-day futurecast shows you stormy weather on Thursday. Improving on Friday, though, pretty windy. Certainly some roadways, secondary roads may still be kind of messy during the morning commute, even though the precipitation will be stopped by then. Saturday and Sunday, a bit of a breather with dry weather. 34 Saturday, 27 on Sunday.